Our top story this morning, new overnight, a deadly shooting after a concealed carry license holder opens fire on someone opening fire on him.
These folks out here hate. Yeah, I heard it through the pipeline. Rumors about how they gon' rob me in the nighttime. For real, they just waiting for the right time. But guess what? You never catch me without mine. Without mine. 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 You never catch me without mine.
Yo, what's good? This your boy Smoke Tales, man. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you got it on you, cause I got it on me. You know how we getting down on this end. 2 killed in confrontation at Denver construction site. 2 people were shot and killed during the confrontation with a construction site manager in southwest Denver Sunday, the Denver Police Department said. Police said it happened around 1:30 p.m. at a commercial construction site in the area of Bellevue Avenue and Wadsworth Boulevard. It appears that a manager arrived at the location and found 2 unauthorized people inside, possibly burglarizing the location. Police said a confrontation between the 2 unauthorized people and the site manager occurred, during which the site manager was assaulted. The site manager pulled out a firearm and shot both individuals. Police said one individual who was shot, a man, died on the scene. The other one, a woman, was taken to the hospital where she later died. Their names have not been released yet. Police said the site manager remained on the scene and is cooperating with the investigation. They said no arrests have been made. Yeah, lucky he had the strap on him, see, cause soon as he entered the door, they just bum rushed the man and started swinging all on him. Boy, it's always better to have it on you just in case. In this case, he needed it.
New here at 5, neighboring businesses sounding off after a shooting that killed 2 people at a South Denver construction site yesterday.
And investigators suspect that a manager at that construction site caught the 2 burglarizing the place. So the manager might have been shot, or might have shot them both when they reportedly attacked him during a confrontation. Fox 31's Vicente Arenas is on it live, talking to nearby businesses about how break-ins could have been a problem in that area already. Vicente?
Talia, and we've also been talking to police. We're outside the police department this afternoon. They're telling us that this person that was involved in this shooting has been cooperating so far. They're saying when this manager got to that location, he walked in and found these 2 people possibly burglarizing the place. An unexpected sight in the middle of a Sunday afternoon at this shopping center at South Wadsworth and West Bellevue. 2 suspected burglars shot and killed at a construction site behind this building. Neighboring businesses are concerned.
And at first it was, it's shocking, but also it's kind of been going down that road the last little bit, so it's not super surprising.
Police say a site manager arrived and found a man and woman possibly burglarizing the place. We're told that manager was assaulted before he began shooting. Fox 31 legal analyst Christopher Decker says that alleged attack plays a key role in the investigation.
The investigators here will determine whether or not the individual who shot these 2 people and killed them was legally justified in doing so.
Break-ins here, businesses say, are not uncommon, but nothing like Sunday's shooting has happened here before.
On New Year's Day, we had like a break-in. Someone just broke multiple doors around the store. It's really shocking.
What the 2 people were trying to allegedly steal is not clear. David Williams, who works at a local flower shop, says his place has been broken into as well.
The last, I'd say year and a half, we've really noticed more suspicious activity, I guess you could say, around the building.
There are a number of signs saying cameras are monitoring the site, but what role they might have played, if any, in catching the suspected burglars is not clear. Police telling us that no one's been arrested in this case. We also talked to the construction company that is in charge of this site. They say they had no comment at this time because there's an ongoing investigation. Live outside the police department downtown Denver, Vicente Arenas, Fox 31.
Yeah, man, so you see how they getting down out there in Denver. You seen the other people who own their stores over there. The Chinese man store had them been broken into. The other man, he say, he not surprised somebody done got their ass lit up. He looking crazy. He need to have a gun on him too. They tried to fight the man. See, they ain't want to go to jail. If he came in there, lay that shit down. They ain't want to do all that. They wanted to try to Boy rushed the man to beat the man up, not knowing that he had the pistol on him. And boy, once you get outnumbered and it's 2-1, you can give it to a bitch then. Coming on the construction site trying to steal and fucked around and got your hard hat peeled back. Man, it's your boy Smoke Tails, man. Until next time, you never catch me without mine.
Without mine, you never catch me without mine. Without mine, you never catch me without mine. Without mine, you never catch me without mine. Without mine, you never catch me without mine.